Today is July 19th, 2017, and we are here to discover the revealing.
Yeah, I'll come back, my sister.
I'm waiting on your mom.
What the hell?
What?
Here we go.
No, not yet.
Boy or girl?
I say boy. What do you say, Crystal?
I say boy too, actually.
What do you say?
I think it's gonna be a girl.
Oh, we got two different sexes going.
Okay, I don't know why my phone won't record, Brianna. No, actually not nice. What? What's wrong with my phone? Why won't it record? Probably because you don't have enough space. No, I have plenty of space. I know how. I'm on the camera though. You know,
The impatiency of waiting.
Just click the red button and it starts recording. See the red button? Yeah. Just click it.
And then make sure numbers start and everything. So I'll come up by you, Mom.
Ready? Yeah. Are you gonna come over here or are you gonna walk through there?
Okay, now they're starting the baby reveal.
Woo! It's a boy! Yeah! Woohoo! Awesome! Yay! Congratulations! Aww. Oh, Trevor's crying. He's so happy. Special moment to be a part of. Woohoo! Yay! Thoughts?
I'm just super excited.
Awesome!
I have
Yay!
no words,
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Woohoo! Crystal, what do you have to say?
Oh, cool. I was kidding. I'm excited. Ready, Trevor? Watch this. Yeah. Cool. Are you guys excited?
Yeah. Okay, guess what? It's a boy.
Yay!